Come do the Dream Nudge Daily pages with me during a blizzard. Let's get cozy. Okay, so we start off doing the Clarity Catcher, which is a stream of consciousness form of journaling, and then we circle any unhelpful thoughts. After that, you refer to the Dream Nudge Troubleshoot sheet to see if we can reframe any unhelpful thoughts. This helps gain clarity. And then as needed basis, the Thoughts and Feelings Factory, helping to reframe any unhelpful thoughts again. And then phase 1, dream spill. Just blot out your to-do list. Phase 2, we're going to dream plan, categorize your to-do list. Phase 3, time block that to-do list. Yes. Okay, and then we do some visualization exercises, gratitude exercises, close off the night at the end of the day with the Wish Burst Free Write, a fun, playful exercise, and a daily reflection.